You know more than you think you do. If you're feeling unhappy and unfulfilled, what is your gut telling you? We truly do not give ourselves enough credit. That's because we've become experts at second guessing ourselves. After all, if we can't find a logical explanation for the way we feel, we must be wrong, right? What we tend to forget is that our minds are much cleverer than we credit them. Remember the feeling you had when someone at work was lying to you? Or how it felt the night you chose to stay in because you were sure it was going to storm, even though the skies were clear? It's because you have an innate awareness of things like body language. You're noticing things constantly, details, on a subconscious level, and analyzing them every second. That's where a gut instinct comes in, and it tends to have uncanny accuracy. So if you're unhappy, ask yourself what your gut has to say. You'll find fulfillment by listening to yourself first.